Awkward silence. So.
Who let her come out the house looking like that?
OMG, what do she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
She Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm gonna take this half a picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she Ratchet.
Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on.
She Ratchet.
Ooh, I just wanna punch her in her face.
Ooh, she Ratchet.
I can't stand her. Ooh, she's so fake.
She Ratchet.
Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr.
Girl, what?
A baby boy. And they came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant. But I still hit the club. I'm in the middle of the floor. No shoes. Whistle. I gotta get cute today. Everybody just for a booth today. Just made a hood dog kid shoot today. Shoes today. Child support me into it. Did you get the shoes today?
You know it.
Don't be fit up. Move, champ. What's the 15? I got my boots. Damn, got a brand new piercing. Brand new tag. Paid $95 for this week. Plus tax.
But
a thing I don't expect me about. No red hair, this came from me. Thinking that you better than I am more than you want. My number. Boy, bye. Be quiet.
Hey, girl.
You looking good. You looking, oh my god. Oh, we're still talk to you later. Alright. OMG, what does she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me the phone. Picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Cause she Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. I'm with them shoes on.
She Ratchet.
Oh, what's wrong? Punch her in her face.
Oh, she
I can't
Ratchet.
stand her. Oh, she's so fake.
She Ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriend call me Carly. Pre-game, then we party. Your side and the bags, but you can't have this boo-boo, sorry. It's my future baby daddy.
I'm dying.
Just song. Press song.
Oh.
How teeny dark skin. We don't like them red bones. Pictures. You Abby got glitter. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Ball, Team Chris Brown. If she don't shut it up, the next team shut it down. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then the team he pay. I mean, he might as well spit it on me. Nothing. Nothing. What you gonna do? Please. Oh my god. She just left me, really? So stank! OMG, what does she have on?
She Ratchet.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
I can take this half a picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. About to put this girl on Twitter.
Girl, you Ratchet.
I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
See you Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Now with them shoes on. Oh, what's wrong? Punch her in the face.
Ooh, she
I
Ratchet.
can't stand her.
She Ratchet.
Skin cream. I feel like leopard skin cream. Okay.